Welcome to episode 1 of my fall soup series. We are starting off strong with loaded baked potato soup. Start by adding 6 slices of bacon to a large soup pot. Cook it until the bacon is very crispy. Turn off the heat, transfer the bacon to a paper towel-lined plate. Let the bacon grease cool for about 5 minutes, then add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter is melted, add 3 minced garlic cloves and a half cup of flour. Turn the heat back on and let this cook for about a minute. Add 1 cup of chicken broth and stir it until it's smooth. Repeat with a 2nd cup of chicken broth. At this point, start trying to scrape up any of the brown bits at the bottom of the pot. Then add 2 more cups of chicken broth. We're using 4 cups total. 2 cups of milk. 4 russet potatoes that have been peeled and cut into bite-sized chunks. Half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper. Stir it up and let it come to a simmer. Once it's simmering, let the potatoes cook for about 15 minutes. Then stir in 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese and let it simmer for another 5 minutes. As the potatoes cook, finally chop up the bacon. I like to serve mine with sour cream, shredded cheddar cheese, sliced green onions, and our homemade bacon bits. This soup is creamy and comforting and warm and so good. Follow along and let me know what I should make next for this fall soup series.